Have you seen videos of Elon Musk promoting a crypto giveaway? They might look real, but what if I told you they're part of an elaborate scam targeting everyday people like you? Today, we expose Xprobit.com, a fraudulent trading platform stealing Bitcoin using deepfake celebrity endorsements. Let's break down how it works and how to stay safe. Social media feeds are filled with viral videos claiming Elon Musk is giving away Bitcoin through a new platform called Xprobit.com. You'll see him, or someone who looks like him, explaining how to enter a promo code like Elon31 to claim free Bitcoin. But here's the truth, it's all fake. The platform, the giveaways, even the celebrity appearances, all part of a well-coordinated scam. Here's how the trap is set. Fake deepfake videos. Scammers create AI-generated videos of celebrities like Musk. These videos appear on TikTok, Instagram, promo code hype. Viewers are told to enter special codes like Elon31 at Xprobit.com to receive free crypto. Fake Bitcoin balance. Once you sign up, a balance of 0.31 BTC magically appears in your dashboard, but it's not real. Activate withdrawal. To withdraw it, you're told to deposit 0.005 BTC first. This is where the trap closes. Gone with your crypto. As soon as your real deposit hits their wallet, your account gets frozen or deleted. The scammers vanish, taking your Bitcoin with them. Let's highlight some warning signs. Real celebrities don't announce giveaways through random viral videos. Legit platforms don't require deposits to unlock withdrawals. No contact info, no regulation, no company records equals major red flag. Recently registered domain. Instant red flag. If it feels too good to be true, it is. Already fallen for the scam? Here's what to do. Report it to the FTC, social media platforms, and your local authorities. Alert your bank or exchange, especially if you used a card or connected account. Change passwords anywhere you reuse the same login. Ignore fake recovery services, they're just more scammers. Learn and share, spread awareness to prevent others from falling victim. Scams like Xprobit.com are evolving fast. They exploit trust, celebrity influence, and high-quality AI tools. Stay skeptical, stay informed. Don't trust viral videos with impossible promises. Always verify the source and never send crypto to claim free crypto. Share your experience in the comments. If this video helps even one person avoid the trap, it's worth it. Stay safe and see you in the next video.